In Business Central, we have the ability to close out the financial year with the accounting periods. So what we're going to do is we're going to search accounting periods. From accounting periods, we can see the existing periods that exist here. So we have from the 2020, and if I click starting date all the way up to 2023. So one thing that you can do, we can create a new year. By default, it's going to tell me when the new year would be. And I can hit OK here, and it's going to create me an extra 12 months, which is going to bring me into 2024. So creating a new year is very straightforward, and you have to elect the new fiscal year month. All right, but from the closing period, we can also in the same way close a year. When you're sure that everything is done, we can hit close year. This function closes the fiscal year from this date based on where the hamburger was selected. Once this year is closed, it cannot be opened again. So for those who ask, can I reopen it when I close? No is the answer. It's done. We press yes, and just like that, it's locked out completely and dates are locked.